This video explains how to buy shares of Cbiz Inc. Search phrase, how to buy shares of Cbiz Inc. Cbiz Inc. provides business services like payroll, benefits, and advisory and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CBZ. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. Investing involves risk. You will need a brokerage account to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your accounts with an identity document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CBZ to locate the listing for Cbiz Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ result that matches the company name. On the asset page, you will see a short company description, the live price chart, and market details. Confirm it shows NASDAQ and ticker CBZ to ensure this is the correct stock. To place a buy order, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.